Here in the resource section, we want you to be able to easily navigate through. So, oftentimes, when it comes to the pages like the resources, freelancers, or job board, you may not have had time to even look at a course yet. So, what we're recommending is that you go ahead, navigate, learn all you can about the specific location yourself, whether it's Automatic, FlexJob, Cital, and others we may put there. You can go out and find things immediately yourself. There are always going to be jobs available on these. For example, this remote job section, you can literally go out. Let me go ahead and get rid of all this junk they're going to put there. There's going to always be jobs right there that you can do remote, right? Just depends on what your skill sets are. You want to match that up. But for this, you can access number one, the first portion of the resources pages. It's all about remote work, working from your RV or working from your campsite or working from your home. In the second portion, it's where you can actually work physically at campsites or manufacturing plants that allow you the subsidized hookups and propane and other things like that, which are nearby. So that's what the second portion is about. Whether it's a resort or like Amazon or DigiKey, these all usually work in conjunction with campsites. Even if they don't have their own campsite, they often will subsidize and give you a specific amount each month. Go out, navigate, learn all you can about it, any of them. So, and then lastly, the third section of this page of the resources is all about state parks and national parks, where you can see what type of work is available, sites and things that they do, because they also have employment and that you can schedule along the lines of your timeline of your travel schedule, and then you can find work and at the same time campsites and things in advance, long before the season in which you will arrive. So that's how this works. You can click out to the sites, check them out. That's how simple it is to use the resources section.